Hope you're all doing well at home. So, today I've picked up this ESS One Dual Plus. I got this at the local hobby store. It was about 90 bucks. Kind of an expensive thing. I've got some of the cheaper ones before that I've used just off Amazon, no-name deals, and they've all worked pretty good. But shipping's kind of funky right now, and most of them come from China, so it may take 3 months to get here, so I decided to give this a try. Here's what you get in the box. Looks like you got a mounting bracket, little USB fob with a servo wire hookup. I imagine that's probably for downloading different sounds. We got a Y connector. And looks like a JST to a dual Dean's T-plug, which I will be switching this out with an XT60 to run my vehicles. Like another mounting bracket. Got some hardware, like a few different machine screws, probably M3s. System there. Another mounting bracket, another mounting bracket. It's going to give you a lot of different ways to mount this. You get a couple of pieces of 3M double-sided tape. Okay, this is probably explaining our 4 different ways to mount it. And I would imagine these would be the instructions. Yes, alright. That gives us our basic setup, and yeah, it looks like you can hook that up and download different sounds. I'll have to do some reading on that and figure this all out before I get it installed. And then we got the unit. That's a pretty large speaker. I'm going to have to try to mount that pretty low just for gravity purposes. I'll keep my center of gravity low. And it's like a double plug here. I think yeah, one of those is meant to go to this fob, it looks like, from the diagram. And that one's for your power, obviously. Then I imagine this is to adjust your sound. But well, that's a pretty solid little unit though. It does feel like it's made out of quality materials. The other ones I've had are cheaper. We'll have to see how the sound compares. Alright, I'm going to go over this and get a vehicle out and we'll start installing it. Alright, so what I did is I didn't use any of the mounting brackets. I just used some double-sided Gorilla Tape because I wanted to get this down low in the chassis as I could, and none of my brackets that it came with actually fit up into these clips anyway. So, to take care of my adapter issue, I just I cut the wires and just soldered that adapter right into the back of my existing XT60 connector. Now it is saying that we need to hook up our 2 JST connectors. That'll provide power. And then that is to unplug my ESC from channel 2. I have all those tied together neatly. I probably ought to cut those real quick. There we go. Now I'll unplug that. I'm going to need to plug the Y connector into channel 2. Then one side of your ESC control goes back into it. And the other side will go into your ESS. Make sure you don't use this one. You want to use the one that looks like your normal servo wire. Alright, so that should be the wiring section of it. Let me go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit with some wire ties so it'd be easier to see and we don't have stuff flipping around everywhere. And then we'll get to getting it started up. Alright, so hopefully we have this all hooked up right. It says to start it, Turn that on. All my normal stuff's working. Just to hold this in 1 second. Now in your neutral range, hit it and pull full throttle. Click again, then reverse. And click again. That should be it. Let me turn the volume up. There's your reverse sound. Well, there's that. I believe you can get other sound functions too. Do a little research on that. So after you stop for a while, it automatically shuts off. Then to start it again, you just touch your trigger. That's a pretty cool little device. Okay, and it says if we want to switch sound modes, you hold this in. There, we should have the second sound mode. I like that one. I like that. I'm probably going to go with that one for now myself. Alright, this has been your basic installation, unboxing, and calibration setup for the ESS Dual Plus. Pretty cool little thing, guys, so check it out, like, share, subscribe, and hope you have a great day.